Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. December. We receive our inheritance. Now is the sealing time, December 1st. God seals those who will inherit his kingdom. Hurt not the earth, neither the sea, nor the trees, till we have sealed the servants of our God in their foreheads. Revelation chapter 7, verse 3. Satan is now using every device in this sealing time to keep the minds of God's people from the present truth and to cause them to waver. I saw a covering that God was drawing over his people to protect them in the time of trouble, and every soul that was decided on the truth and was pure in heart was to be covered with the covering of the Almighty. Satan knew this, and he was at work in mighty power to keep the minds of as many people as he possibly could wavering and unsettled on the truth. I saw that Satan was at work to distract, deceive, and draw away God's people just now in this sealing time. I saw some who were not standing stiffly for the present truth. Their knees were trembling and their feet sliding because they were not firmly planted on the truth. Satan was trying his every art to hold them where they were until the sealing was passed, until the covering was drawn over God's people and they left without a shelter from the burning wrath of God in the 7 last plagues. We are brought out of darkness of the world into God's marvelous light. If we receive the image of God, if our souls are cleansed from every moral defilement, the seal of God will be placed upon our foreheads, and we shall be prepared for the closing scenes of this earth's history. But we have no time to lose. The more we study the life of Christ with a heart to learn, the more Christ-like we become. The sealing time is very short and will soon be over. Now is the time while 4 angels are holding the 4 winds to make our calling and election sure. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.